Okay, so today we're going to make a really cute winter Christmassy pillow. And it's called the Shabby Snowman Pillow Pattern. And you can buy it from Jubilee Creative Studio for $1 online. It's a download. Okay, so print out your pattern. So we're going to take the last page with our snowman, our tree, and our star. And we're going to use some template plastic. Okay, and we're going to place this plastic on top of our pattern, and we're going to trace the design. And I've already done that. As you can see, I took a marker and I just traced it all the way around. And now I'm going to cut these patterns out. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so we have all of our templates cut out. Here's our snowdrift, tree, snowman, and our star. Okay, so now we need to pick our scrap fabrics that we want to use in our really super cute pillow. Okay guys, so I've cut out all of my templates. And then I went through my fabrics and I found these really cute Christmas fabrics that I haven't used. This is a fat quarter set that I have by Tula Pink. So I'm just laying my templates on top, just kind of seeing how it will look. And I think I like this layout. So what I'm going to do next is open my fabric up, go to the back side, trace my template onto the back side of this fabric with a pencil, and then cut it out along the line. Okay, now so we have our snowman, our tree, our star, and this is like a snow bluff kind of template, and then you have a square and a square. Okay, I can't give you these measurements because this isn't my pattern, but the pattern only costs $1, so just go on their site and get it, and you can download it. So I'm going to cut out this square and cut out this square, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so I have my large square, my smaller square, and then this is my snow slope in the scene. I have everything sprayed, just kind of stuck down, and I put some batting in here and some backing. So right now all I'm going to do is some straight line quilting to hold these pieces together, and then we will add the snowman, the tree, and the star, and then we will add the backing. Okay, so let's first straight line quilt this and hold these pieces down together. Okay, so here's our snowman. Here's our Christmas tree. Here's our star. Here's our scarf for our snowman. Let's see, how long do we think we want it to be? Maybe right here. pillow. Now I just need to go around and stitch on the inside of everything. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, so now that everything's clipped, what we're going to do now is we're going to put the back of our pillow on. This is the inside of the pillow. Nobody's going to see this. This is just scrap fabric. Okay? So now we're going to put the back of our pillow on. And I made an envelope to go on the back. So I'm just going to line it up all the way around. Okay, so now I want to show you how it's lined up. See that? So all we're going to do is stitch. We're just going to stitch all along here, all the way around the pillow. Okay? That's all we're going to do now. This is the back of our pillow. See, here's where we'll open it up, stick our pillow in. It's like an envelope in the back. We just want to center our backing on and then go ahead and start stitching it down. So let's do that now. Okay guys, I got the pillowcase covers out of the dryer. I put my pillows in them and they are super adorable. You have to make this pattern. It's so cute, so easy to make. I can make these pillows like all day long. It's such an easy pattern. And you know what? We get to use up all of our scraps. You know I love that. So if you want to make this pillow, go to their website, download it for $1. You will not regret it, I promise. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.